The initial public offering of Noida-based hospital chain Yatharth Hospital will open for subscription on Wednesday 26th July and close on Friday 28th July. Hi, I'm Meghna Chadha from ET Markets, and here's everything you need to know about this upcoming issue. Established in 2008, the company is a leading hospital chain operating 3 super specialty hospitals in Delhi NCR. Now, the IPO comprises a fresh equity issue of up to Rs 490 crore and an offer for sale of up to 5.51 lakh shares. The firm has fixed the IPO price band at Rs 285 to Rs 300 per share. Investors can bid for a minimum 50 shares and in multiples thereafter. For qualified institutional buyers, a maximum of 50% shares have been reserved, while the corresponding figure for retail investors is 35%. Non-institutional investors, meanwhile, have a maximum of 15% shares reserved for them. To apply for the IPO, a retail investor will have to fish out a minimum of Rs 15,000. On the higher end, however, one can apply for a maximum of 13 lots, which means a retail bidder can invest a maximum of Rs 1.95 lakh. Yatharth Hospital intends to use the net proceeds to repay debt, fund capital expenditure, inorganic growth initiatives, and for other general corporate purposes. According to analysts, the current GMP of the issue is around Rs 75 per share in the unlisted market, indicating decent listing gains. ET Markets spoke to Sonam Srivastava of Right Research on the pros and cons of the issue. Let's quickly hear out to what she has to say.
It's a well-established hospital, profitable with a reasonable PE ratio, not overvalued, right? So it's interesting listing. Healthcare sector, pharma is seeing a recovery, so it might have a short-term profitability also. In the long term, On the other hand, if you look at the cons, it's a very competitive space, right? You already have these well-established hospitals like Fortis, Apollo, and all that stuff that have a big market share. So will that expand and will this hospital capture bigger market share is something for people to evaluate. And then you have the OFS component where the promoters are selling some part of their equity. So I think that's also a concern. So I think there are a few pros and cons, but I think in this current market, everybody is excited about IPOs.
The allotment is most likely on 2nd August, while the shares are likely to be listed on both NSE and BSE on 7th August. Intensive Fiscal Services, Ambit Private Limited and IIFL Securities are the 3 book-running lead managers to the issue, while Link Intime India is the registrar of the public offer. Talking about the financial performance, the company earned Rs 520 crore in revenue from operations for the quarter end in March, up from Rs 229 crore in the same quarter last fiscal. The profit for the period was Rs 66 crore, up from Rs 20 crore in Q4 FY22. That's all for now. Keep watching this space for more.